Good evening everyone. Myself Shivangi Manoj Patel. Today I will be presenting about the ultrasound. First of all, we will go through the introduction of the ultrasound. Definition of the ultrasound is a medical imaging technique that uses high frequency sound waves to produce images of internal body structures. Like example, doctors use ultrasound for the sonography process. In sonography, the ultrasound head is used which takes the internal body structures which are shown in the computer. Now, production of ultrasound. For a 1 megahertz machine, a vibrating source with a frequency of 1 million cycles per second is needed. This is achieved using a quartz crystal, barium titanate, or a lead zirconate. These crystals deform when subjected to varying potential difference, which is called as piezoelectric effect. Now we will understand that what is piezoelectricity. Piezoelectricity is a natural phenomenon found in certain mineral crystals but may also be synthesized commercially. The crystal transforms mechanical energy into electrical energy and it reverses it electrical energy into the mechanical. Coupling media. Consequently, the treatment head is never left switch on when not in contact with transmitting medium. If it is not in contact with the skin or with transmitting medium, we have to switch off the cup, which we have to switch off the ultrasound head. Some coupling medias and their efficiency of transmission are: first is aquasonic gel, which is present in 72.6 percentage amount. Second one is glycerol, which is present in 67 percentage amount, and third one is distilled water, which is present in 59 percentage amount. Fourth is liquid paraffin, which is present in 90 percentage amount, and air, which is present in zero amount. There is no air between the ultrasound head and the treatment area. Now, physiological effects of the ultrasound. There are four physiological effects of ultrasound. First is thermal effects, mechanical responses, chemical reactions, and the last one is the biological responses. Now, techniques and methods of application, how we can apply on the patient. So, first of all, preparation of the patient. The skin should be washed and hair should be removed. The nature of the treatment, need for a couplant and stability of the area are all need to be explained to the patient before the treatment. And the duration of the treatment as well as a particular cooperation required is indicated. Then next one is the preparation of the part to be relaxed. The area which the part which we are going to treat it must be in relaxed position. The couplant should be applied to the skin surface. Application. The treatment head is moved continuously over the surface. The movement can be circular or zigzag. We can move in circular motion or in zigzag motion. The emitting surface must be kept parallel to the skin surface to reduce reflection and pressed sufficiently firmly to exclude any air. Okay, we have to make contact, stay in contact with the skin and ultrasound head. We have to not make a medium in which the air it can pass. We have to not allow the air to pass in the ultrasound head. Now, methods. There are different methods, three methods of ultrasound. First one is direct contact method. In direct contact method, we can apply the ultrasound directly on the skin. Second is water bath method. In water bath method, we have to put the treatment part in the water bath and then we have to apply the ultrasound. Third one is the water bag method. In water bag method, we have to use water bag, we have to put it on the treatment part and then we have to give the ultrasound. Now, parameters of ultrasound. There are four parameters: mode, frequency, intensity, and the duration of treatment. Mode: continuous mode and pulse mode. There are two modes. Continuous mode produces more heat, and pulse mode produces less heat. So, continuous mode is producing more heat. So, it is used for musculoskeletal conditions such as muscular spasm, joint stiffness, pain, etc. Pulse mode produces less heat. So, it is used for soft tissue repair. Example, tendinitis. Now, frequency: ultrasonic 3 megahertz superficial tissue and ultrasonic 0.75 to 1 megahertz penetrate deeply. Now, duration of the treatment: size of area determined to the treatment time 1 to 2 minutes for every centimeter square. Amount of energy depends on intensity and duration of the treatment. Treatment time for the minimum time is 1 to 2 minutes, maximum time is 8 minutes, average time is 5 minutes, and for chronic condition we have to give for longer treatment time, and for acute condition lesser treatment time. Now, intensity. For acute and immediate post traumatic conditions, we have to give the intensity between the zero point 0.1 to 0.25 watt per centimeter square. And for the chronic and scar tissue conditions, we have to give the intensity between the 0.25 to 1 watt per centimeter square. Dangers of ultrasound. There are three dangers like burns, cavitation, dose, overdose, etc. Contraindication. First one is to radiotherapy, tumors, pregnancy, cardiac disease, and acute sepsis. If the person is having all this, we are not allowed to give the ultrasound to them. This is all about the ultrasound. Thank you.